In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively log into your Wayfair affiliate dashboard and make the most out of promoting Wayfair products through your affiliate links. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, understanding how to navigate and optimize your affiliate activities can make a big difference in your online presence and earnings. Let's dive into the process step by step. To start, the very first thing we need to do is access your Wayfair affiliate dashboard. Open your browser and head over to the Wayfair Affiliate Program login page. Once there, enter your credentials. Carefully input your username and password. It's essential to ensure that you're typing them correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard with various tools and insights to help you get started. Now that we're logged in, let's move on to searching for products you want to promote. Use the search bar to find items that align with your niche or the interests of your audience. It could be anything from furniture and home decor to kitchen gadgets and more. While searching, consider what trends, styles, or seasonal items might appeal to your audience, as this can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your promotions. After you've identified some promising products, it's time to create affiliate links. This is crucial as these links are what will track your referrals and earnings. Locate the link builder tool within your dashboard. This handy feature is specifically designed to make creating links as straightforward as possible. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Select your product, and the tool will generate a unique link that's tied to your affiliate account. With your newly generated affiliate links in hand, the next step is to share them with your audience. These can be embedded in various platforms such as your website, blog, or even across your social media channels. When sharing these links, remember to appropriately incorporate them into your content in a way that's natural and engaging for your audience. Providing context or a brief review of why you love or endorse a product can help make your promotions more compelling. Finally, to gauge the success of your promotional efforts, it's important to track your clicks and conversions. Head back to your affiliate dashboard where you'll find insights and data regarding how your links are performing. This information is invaluable as it helps you understand what's working and what isn't.